Hey, it's Robin from FooEvents, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any post or page into an event and display it on a calendar. So we're going to do this using the FooEvents Calendar. It's a lightweight calendar that makes it possible to tag posts and pages to specific dates and display them in that calendar. So where this is pretty useful is if your organization has a lot of events going on, but they're not all bookable events. Sometimes you just need to display some information about the event. So for example, in our demo, we're going to look at a school that has various sports activities, academic activities, theater shows, teacher-parents meetings. So we're going to add all of those to a calendar, but instead of creating actual events, we're just going to tag posts and pages about those events to the calendar. So let's head over to the demo. Okay, so I have a standard WordPress site installed and I've already uploaded the FooEvents Calendar plugin. So I'm going to activate that. So there's very few settings that you need to worry about. I personally like the minimalist calendar theme. You just need to make sure the post and page are selected over here so that they receive the ability to tag those content types to the calendar. So let's save that. Okay, next we're going to go to a page and we're going to tag it to a specific date and time. So when I say tag it, all we're really doing is adding additional information to this particular page. So we're going to say, yes, it is an event. You can set a start and end time. You can set a time zone if you need to. We don't for this example. Let's go with a nice shade of purple and we'll have white text. This is the label that will display on the actual calendar, so you can customize the color of it. And we're going to save that. And then next we're going to go do the same for a page. So let's head back to our menu. Go to all posts and we're going to do it for the talent show. And here we go through the same process. We select a date, a start time, and select a color. Let's go for a nice orange. Okay, then we save that. So this is just a standard WordPress post about the event. And we now want to tag it to a calendar. So if parents go to the calendar, they can see the talent show on it. They click on it, opens up the blog post, and they can find out everything they need to know about it. So I've actually jumped ahead and I've tagged all of the other posts and pages to calendar dates as well, just to save time. So we can go now add the calendar to the site. So to do that, I'm going to create a page called calendar. And you can use that. We have shortcodes available, which you can find on our help center, help.fooevents.com. But the easiest way to do this is using the FooEvents calendar block. You can select that here. So this adds a placeholder image, and on the right-hand side, you'll see all these settings for the calendar. So for the most part, you can leave these as is. A lot of them only apply to when using the FooEvents for WooCommerce plugin, which adds the ability to sell tickets using WooCommerce. But because these are just standard posts and pages, you don't need to worry about information such as product IDs, etc. You can set what date the calendar starts on. By default, it'll start in the current month, but if you need to set it for a specific date in the future, you can do that here too. And also includes a couple of display options such as year, month, week, and day views, which you can have a look at too. They're pretty cool. So we're going to save this now, publish it, and then we're going to view it on the front end. And then we have it, a minimalist calendar with all our events tagged to it. We have the talent show, for example, and if we click on it, it'll take us to the blog post. So you can add all your blog posts and all your pages to the calendar without having to create new events or add loads of additional functionality to your store. Of course, using the FooEvents for WooCommerce plugin, you can add the ability to sell tickets to these events. You can also manage attendees using our check-ins apps and loads of other tools that FooEvents provides. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go to FooEvents.com to find out more. But otherwise, if you have any questions about the calendar and how to add posts and pages to the calendar, get in touch. You can visit our help center at help.fooevents.com/contact, and we'd be more than happy to help.